Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today our topic of video is quality management. Quality, a dynamic state associated with products, services, people, processes and environment that meet or exceeds the expectations of customers. Quality management. Quality management focuses on long-term goals through the implementation of short-term initiatives. The act of overseeing all activities and tasks needed to maintain a desired level of excellence. A process that ensures the quality of products throughout its life cycle. An approach of doing business that attempts to maximize the business competitiveness of an organization through the continual improvement of the quality of its products, services, people, processes and environment. Quality management elements. There are 4 quality management elements: quality planning, quality assurance, quality control and quality improvement. Quality planning. Quality plan is a document of several documents that together specify quality standards, practices, resources, specifications, and sequence of activities relevant to a particular product, service, project, or contrast. Objectives to be attained. Steps in the processes that constitute the operating practice or procedures of the organization, allocation of responsibilities, authority and resources during the different phases of the process or project, specific documented standards, practices, procedures and instructions to be applied, suitable testing, inspection, examination and audit programs at appropriate stages. A documented procedure for changes and modifications to a quality plan as a process is improved. A method for measuring the achievement of the quality objectives. Second element of quality management is quality assurance. QA is a set of activities for ensuring quality in processes by which products are developed. QA aims to prevent defects with a focus on the process used to make the product. It is a proactive quality process. The goal of QA is to improve development and testing processes so that defects do not arise when the product is being developed. It ensures the prevention of quality problems through the planned and systematic activities including documentation. Everyone on the team involved in developing the product is responsible for quality assurance. Examples of quality assurance include process checklist, project audits, and methodology and standards level. Quality assurance activities are determined before production work begins, and these activities are performed while the product is being developed. Third element of quality management is quality control. QC is a set of activities for ensuring quality in products. The activities focus on identifying defects in the actual products produced. Quality control refers to the quality-related activities associated with the creation of project deliverables. Quality control is used to verify that deliverables are of acceptable quality and that they are complete and correct. QC aims to identify and correct defects in the finished product. Quality control, therefore, is a reactive process. The goal of QC is to identify defects after a product is being developed and before it's released. Quality control is usually the responsibility of a specific team that tests the product for defects. Examples of quality activities include inspection, deliverable peer reviews, and the testing process. Tests should not only distinguish bad products from good, but also find the cause of problems. Inspection is done to improve the process by controlling. Control actions are based on measured data recorded on quality control charts. Corrective actions are taken as soon as value enter danger zone to prevent out limits defective products. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel.